Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 2 Bits. In this previous video, we have discussed about some terminologies related to trees. Now let's see how to implement a binary tree. So this is a binary tree. Let's see how it is actually represented. So in a tree node, there are three parts. For value, the left pointer and the right pointer. Just like in a linked list, a node has two parts, a value and the next pointer. So the first node in the tree is called the root node. Here the root node has a value of 1 and the left pointer is pointing to this node and the right pointer is pointing to this node. So root.left is this node and root.right is this node. So what we are going to do is we are going to create an object named root for the class node and pass the value 1. Then we are going to repeat similar steps for root.left and root.right, passing the value 2 for root.left and then passing the value 3 for root.right. Let's see the Python implementation for a binary tree. So in the Python implementation, what we need to do is first we will create a class node, then we will define the structure of the node. For that, we will create a constructor and pass the value. The value will be go to the value part and the left and right pointer will be initially null. Then we will create an object named root for the class node and pass the value 1. So this will create a node with value 1. Then root.left will be assigned the value 2. So it will create a node with the value 2 on the left side. Then root.right with the value 3. Then root.left will have a value 4. So root.left was 2 and 2.left will have a value 4. Then root.left.right. So root.left was 2 and root.left.right will be this node which have a value 5. Then we go to root.right, then .left. So root.right is 3 and the left part will have a value 6 and similarly root.right will have a value 7. So this will create this particular tree. So this was the Python implementation. Now let's move on to the C++ implementation. The C++ implementation also has the similar steps. So we will create a structure for node, we will have data and we have left and right pointers. Then we have a constructor for node which will assign data to the data part and we will have left and right as null. Then we will have root variable which is a global variable and we will assign it to null initially. Then we will create root with value 1, then root.left with value 2 and root.right with value 3, and similarly we will create a tree just like the previous one. So this was the C++ implementation. The link for both the codes are in the description and link to join our Telegram channel is also given in the description. Please check that out, and if you like the video then please share and subscribe to our channel.